Children, today let us learn Unit 1 Poe. Standard 10 Prescribed First Poetry Life, written by Henry van Dyke. Now, let us know about the poet. Henry van Dyke, 1852 to 1933, was born in Pennsylvania, USA. A nature lover and avid reader, he earned degrees from Princeton, then served as Presbyterian minister for more than 20 years. He was also considered one of the best preachers in New York City. He eventually returned to Princeton, where he spent nearly 20 years as a professor of English with a bit of service as the US ambassador of Luxembourg and the Netherlands in between. As a writer, he was highly talented. Henry's best known works are probably the lyrics of the hymn Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee, and the two Christmas stories, The Other Wise Man and The First Christmas Tree. About the poem, Henry van Dyke is a visionary American author. His poem Life describes life taking on life in its truest form, an adventure. This poem is beautiful and inspiring but also idealistic. One cannot help but be charmed by his childlike hope and absolute faith in the abilities of a warm heart and an able mind. So let us see some key points. Life is an experience to be lived with courage. One should not worry about the uncertain future. Happiness nourishes life with extra energy. Imaginations to be fearless and pure. New friendships, new adventures, new explorations to enrich us. And finally, to always hope for a joyous future with determination and faith. Let me explain you the poetry life line by line. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. So, in the first two lines, the poet is giving advice to the readers from his own personal experiences. The poet wants to live his life happily with forward face and optimistically. He wants to live his life every year with a happy heart, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. The poet does not like to hurry in any matters or situations. He doesn't want to turn away from his aims. He wanted to achieve his goals with confidence and hope. He wanted to look forward with a happy and cheerful mind. Though the life has a problem, he doesn't want to worry too much about his future, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. From the 6th to 8th line, he thinks that he should live his life to the fullest by retaining the childlike innocence and pleasures of life. From his youth till he grows old, he likes to travel his journey of life cheerfully. So let the way win up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Though his way goes up the mountain or down the valley, he would enjoy his journey. No matter if his path is difficult or easy, he will make it a joyful journey. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. Explanation: even now, as a boy, he still seeks for his new adventures, his hopes, his new friendship, his new experiences, which enriches him. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. From the 13th to 14th line, the poet says, life described not as an experience. One should live with courage, dedication, and a clear sense of purpose that drives the mind. Now, let us have a clarification about rhyming word, rhyming scheme, and alliteration. What is a rhyming word? Words ending with the same rhyming sound in the poetry lines is called as rhyming words. Example, run, fun, soul, goal. What is called as rhyming scheme? The last words in the poetry lines which is rhyming will be labeled as AABB or ABBA. That is called as rhyming scheme. What is called as alliteration? In a poetry line, the words which begin with the same letter is called as alliteration word. Example, and whether their station be high or humble. In this given poetry line, the alliteration words will be the words begin with H, high, humble. Now let us see the rhyming scheme of the poetry life. Now look at the first stanza, the last rhyming words, ear, soul, go, disappear. In these 4 lines, we have pairing words such as ear, disappear, which sounds the same. So it is labeled as A. The words soul, goal were rhyming and it is labeled as B. Coming to the second stanza, the words fear and cheer rhymes the same and they are labeled as A. The next 2 words, whole, toll, are labeled as B. Following the same, in the third stanza, the words down, crown, labeled as A, joy, boy as B. Now, the final stanza of this poetry has only 2 lines ending with the rhyming words quest, best. So it is called as couplet. Find out the alliteration words in the given lines. Look at the first line, let me but live my life from year to year. In this first line of the poetry, the alliteration words are the words begin with L and Y. Live, life, year, year. Coming to the second line of the poetry, with forward face and unreluctant soul, the words begin with F, that is, forward, face, or the alliteration words. Hope it was useful for you.